Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Our next chapter is perimeter, area and volume. Today we are going to learn about the perimeter. What is the perimeter? The length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Suppose we will take one closed figure. When we along the length of the boundary of the closed figure is called its perimeter. Length of the boundary of the closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay, perimeter. Now first we are going to learn about the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? If you observe a rectangle, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal. It is a rectangle. In this rectangle these two are opposite sides. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are also equal. These two sides equal, these two sides equal. So in this rectangle, this side is called length. Length of the rectangle, and this side is called breadth of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the given figure? Some length of the boundary of the closed figure. We have to find the length of the boundary. Boundary, how much length is there? What is the length of its boundary? It is called its perimeter. So coming to the rectangle, in a rectangle having this is called length of the rectangle, this is called breadth of the rectangle. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal. These two will be equal and these two will be equal. Now we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter means length of the boundary of the closed figure. Is it a closed figure? We have to find the length of this boundary of the closed figure. So we have to find this length, how much is there. So this is called length of the rectangle. This is called breadth of the rectangle. Again it is length, it is breadth. So we have to add sum of its sides. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So how many lengths are here? 2 lengths. So it is 2 lengths plus how many breadths? 2 breadths. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So if we take common from 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That means 2 into L4 length plus B for breadth. B for breadth. Length and breadth. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. What is the perimeter? Length of the boundary of the closed figure. Length of the boundary of the closed figure. So it is a rectangle. How we find the perimeter of the rectangle? We have to add its sides. Sum of its sides. Sum of its sides. Sum means what we have to do? Addition. Addition of sides. So how many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides are there. We are adding these 4 sides. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. L for length, B for breadth. So L plus B plus L plus B. So how many L's are here? How many lengths are there? 2 lengths, 2L. How many breadths? 2 breadths, 2 breadths. So take 2 common from this. 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into L plus B or 2 into length plus breadth. Next one is square. Now we have to find the perimeter of a square. In a square all sides are equal. All sides are equal in a square. Suppose it is S for side. So here how many sides have a square? 4 sides. In a square all these sides are equal. So it is S, it is S. What about this? it is also S, and it is also S. In a square, all sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. Now we have to find the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. How we find the perimeter? Perimeter means length of the boundary of the closed figure. So is it a closed figure or is it an open figure? Is it a closed figure? So we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter, sum of its sides. Here sum of its sides. So how many sides are here? 4 sides. Sum means we have to add all these sides. So what are the sides for S? So 4 sides, 4 S's. S plus, S plus, S plus, yes. 4 sides. So 4 sides. 4 into S. So it is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. S for side. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So we have to add all its sides. So what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Suppose sometimes they will give side, they will give perimeter, and we have to find the side. So that time what is the formula for side? Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. When we have to use this formula? When they give perimeter of a square, we have to find the side of a square. We have to use this formula. Side of the square formula is perimeter divided by 4. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a square 4 into side. Perimeter of a square 4 into side. If they give perimeter of a square and we have to find the side of the square, then what is the side of the square formula? Perimeter divided by 4. Side of the square, perimeter divided by 4. Now shall we do some problems on perimeter? First question. Length is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Length is equal to 2.15 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So length given, breadth given. We have to find its perimeter. So if they gave length and breadth, what is the shape of the figure? The figure shape is rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter for rectangle. So the solution for this, we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. This bracket indicates into. So L for length. So 2 into length how much? 2.5 centimeter plus breadth is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So 2.5 plus 2.1. Add these to how much it is? So 2 into 4.6 centimeter. So multiply 2 6 are 12. So 1 will be 0.24 are 8 1 9. So the answer is 9.2 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 9.2. If they gave length and breadth, that is the rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Next one, side is equal to 16 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Side given, we have to find the perimeter. So what is the perimeter side given time? So it is the shape. See the solution for this. So it is perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. So what is the perimeter of a square formula? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So side how much given here? 16 centimeters. So it is equal to 4 into 16. 4 16s, 64. 64 centimeter. This is the side of a perimeter of a square. So what is the perimeter of a square formula? 4 into side. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. Length, breadth given. Find perimeter means we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Only side given. Find perimeter given time. We have to find the perimeter of a square. Next one is find the side of a square whose perimeter is 8 centimeter. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 8 centimeter. We have to find the side of this square, perimeter given. So solution for this, perimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find the side of the square. Side of the square, side of a square is equal to, what is the side of the square formula? Perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter is equal to how much? 8 centimeter divided by 4. 4 table 8 how many times? 2 times. So the answer is 2 centimeters. When they gave perimeter, we have to find the side of the square. What is the formula? Perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter 8 centimeter divided by 4. 4 table 8 how many times? 2 times. So the answer is 2 centimeter. Next one. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 172 centimeter. Same problem. See here also they gave perimeter. We have to find the side. So perimeter is equal to, how much given perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 172 centimeter. We have to find the side of the square. Side of a square. Side of a square. What is the side of a square? Here also perimeter given. So side of a square is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. That is 172 centimeter divided by 4. So do division with 4. Do division with 4, 172. 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 6, 1, next 2, 12. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 43 centimeters. 43 centimeters. So side given, perimeter given, we have to find the side. Side of the square formula, perimeter divided by 4. Exercise 7.1, page number 154, open ma. See the B Roman. The perimeter of a square plot of land is 64 meter. What is the length of its side? So perimeter of a square plot of land. So perimeter given, we have to find the length of its side. So perimeter given, we have to find the side. What is the formula for that? Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Then do, you will get the answer. Next, see the second question. Find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper. We have to find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper whose length is 27 centimeter and breadth is 23 centimeters. So we have to find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper. So length given, breadth given. So what is the formula for that? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here how we should write the steps for this problem? Length is equal to 27 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 23 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length 27 centimeter plus 23 centimeter. 27 plus 23, 50 centimeter. So 2 into 50 centimeter, 100 centimeter. Understood? Next, third question. Next, third question. Banu walks daily around a square park. Banu walks daily around a square park. Banu is walking daily around what park it is? What is the shape of the park? Square park. If the distance walked around the park is 480 meters, How much distance she is walking around the park? 480 meters. What is the measure of each side of the park? So she is walking around the park is 480 meters means this is the perimeter of the park, ma'am. So how we write the steps here? See the solution for the third question. So distance around the park. Distance around the park. Distance around the park means it is what, ma'am? Perimeter of the park. Distance around the park. That is perimeter. Right here bracket it is perimeter. So perimeter given. So how many meters it is? 480 meters. So we have to find the measure of each side of the park. So measure of. So what we have to find? Measure of each side of the park. Measure of each side of the park. So what we have to do here, each measure of each side of the park is equal to 4 into, so perimeter divided by 4. We know the perimeter, we have to find the measure of each side. So perimeter divided by 4. So 480 meters divided by 4. 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 0. So measure of each side of the park is 120 meters. 120 meters. Next, see the fifth question. Fourth question. Find the perimeter of a quilt. Quilt length and breadth measure 250 centimeter and 150 centimeter. So length given, breadth given. Perimeter of a quilt. Length, breadth given means the quilt is in what shape it is? Rectangle shape. So we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Do you know the perimeter of the rectangle formula? Yes, perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B. Next, see the fifth question. A playground 42 meter long and 32 meter wide needs to be fenced. So long, length same, wide, width, breadth, these three words same. Here long means length. So perimeter of a rectangle given. So length is equal to 42 meter, width is equal to 32 meter. That means the playground is in what shape? The playground is in rectangle shape. So it has to be fenced. It has to be fenced. So find the length of the fencing required. What will be the cost of fencing? At rupees 50 per meter. How much fence is required? That means we have to find the perimeter of the playground. We have to find the perimeter of the playground. See the solution for the fifth question. Long is equal to 42 meter. Wide is equal to 32 meter. Long is equal to 42 meter. Wide is equal to 32 meter. So we have to find the perimeter of a playground. Perimeter of a playground. What is the perimeter of playground? Is in the shape of rectangle. So 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L, length 42 meter plus breadth 32 meter. So 2 into 42 plus 32, 74 meters. 2 74s, 148 meters. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 148 meters. This is the perimeter of the playground means how much it is fenced? 148 meters fenced. So the length of the fencing is 148 meters. So cost of 1 meter fencing how much? 150 rupees. Total how much length of the fencing? 148 meters. How much cost? We have to find. So cost of fencing per meter. Cost of fencing per meter. How much cost? 50 rupees. So total what is the length of the fencing? 148 meters. So cost of fencing for 148 meters. So it is, so 148 into rupees 50. So do the multiplication. Here 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. So the how much cost of fencing for 148 meters? 7,400.